दोस्तों,
दोस्तों,
चलिए
चलिए
लेसन
लेसन
स्टार्ट
स्टार्ट
करते हैं।
करते हैं।
इसमें वन
इसमें वन
लाइनर
लाइनर
इंपॉर्टेंट
इम्पोर्टेंट
सेंटेंसेस है।
सेंटेंसेस है,
आपको
आपको
उनको
उनको
याद
याद
करना है।
करना है।
ये
ये
आपके
आपके
एग्जाम में
एग्ज़ाम
हेल्प
में हेल्प
करेंगे।
करेंगे।
साइकियाट्रिक
साइकियाट्रिक
असेसमेंट
असेसमेंट
ट्रायंगल
ट्रायंगल
इज
इज़
फॉर्म्ड
फॉर्म्ड
बाय
बाय
अफेक्ट
अफेक्ट,
कोऑर्डिनेशन
कोऑर्डिनेशन
एंड
एंड
कॉग्निशन।
कॉग्निशन।
As per
As per
Snyder,
Snyder,
components
components
of
of
normal
normal
healthy
healthy
thinking are
thinking are
consistency,
consistency,
continuous,
continuous
and
and
well
well
organized,
organized,
doesn't
doesn't
include
include
clarity.
clarity.
Superstition
Superstition
is a
is a
false
false
belief
belief
unexplained by
unexplained by
reality
reality
and
and
is
is
shared
shared
by
by
a
a
number of
number of
people.
people.
Cognition is
Cognition is
thought.
thought.
Delusion
Delusion
is a
is a
disorder
disorder
of
of
thought.
thought.
Best
Best
definition of
definition
a
of a
delusion is
delusion is
fixed
fixed
from
from
false
false
belief
belief
not in
not in
keeping with
keeping with
cultural
cultural
background of
background
the
of the
person.
person.
The
The
primary
primary
delusion
delusion
is
is
disorder of
disorder of
thought.
thought.
Delusion is
Delusion is
not
not
present
present
in
in
compulsive
compulsive
disorder.
disorder.
Circumstantiality
Circumstantiality
is
is
person
person
response to
response to
each
each
question,
question,
but he
but he
gives
gives
long
long
answers
answers
with a
with a
great
great
deal of
deal of
tedious
tedious
and
and
unnecessary
unnecessary
detail,
detail,
but
but
finally
finally
goal
goal
is
is
reached.
reached.
Magical
Magical
thinking
thinking
is
is
belief
belief
that
that
thinking
thinking
can
can
cause
cause
action.
action.
Hallucination
Hallucination
is
is
disorder of
disorder of
perception.
perception.
Illusion
Illusion
is
is
misperception
misperception
of
of
stimulus.
stimulus.
For
For
example,
example,
rope
rope
seen
seen
as
as
snake.
snake.
Formed
Formed
visual
visual
hallucinations
hallucinations
are
are
seen
seen
in
in
lesion
lesion
of
of
temporal
temporal
lobe.
lobe.
Commonest
Commonest
type
type
of
of
organic
organic
hallucination is
hallucination is
visual.
visual.
Commonest
Commonest
type of
type of
functional
functional
hallucination
hallucination
is
is
auditory.
auditory.
Reflex
Reflex
hallucination
hallucination
is a
is a
type
type
of
of
synesthesia.
synesthesia.
Conation is
Conation is
action.
action.
Stupor is tired of decreased reactivity of stimuli, akinesia, and mutism, but retention of consciousness and often with open eyes. Formation
Formation
and
and
storage
storage
of
of
immediate
immediate
and
and
recent
recent
memories
memories
is
is
hippocampus.
hippocampus.
Anterograde
Anterograde
amnesia is
amnesia is
characteristic
characteristic
of
of
post-traumatic
post-traumatic
head
head
injury.
injury.
Confabulation
Confabulation
means
means
making
making
stories to
stories to
fill
fill
gaps
gaps
in
in
memory
memory
loss.
loss.
Insight
Insight
is
is
awareness
awareness
of
of
being
being
ill,
ill,
present in
present in
neurosis
neurosis
and
and
absent in
absent in
psychosis.
psychosis.
Insight is
Insight is
absent
absent
in
in
schizophrenia.
schizophrenia.
Emotion is
Emotion is
controlled
controlled
by
by
frontal
frontal
lobe.
lobe.
Flight of
Flight of
ideas
ideas
or
or
clanging
clanging
associations
associations
is a
is a
characteristic
characteristic
feature of
feature of
mania.
mania.
Liability is
Liability
a
is a
person
person
who
who
laughs
laughs
one
one
minute
minute
and
and
cries the
cries the
next
next
without
without
any
any
clear
clear
stimulus.
stimulus.
Anhedonia,
Anhedonia,
inability
inability
to
to
enjoy
enjoy
previously
previously
pleasurable
pleasurable
activities.
activities.
One of
One
the
of the
most
most
specific
specific
feature of
feature of
psychosis
psychosis
is
is
neologism.
neologism.
Ambivalence is
Ambivalence is
most
most
commonly
commonly
seen
seen
in
in
schizophrenia.
schizophrenia.
Incidence of
Incidence of
suicide
suicide
is
is
22
22
per
per
lakh
lakh
per
per
year
year
in
in
Indian
Indian
population.
population.
Depression is
Depression
the
is the
most
most
common
common
psychiatric
psychiatric
cause for
cause for
suicide.
suicide.
Poison is
Poison
the
is the
most
most
common
common
method of
method of
suicide in
suicide in
India,
India,
followed by
followed by
hanging.
hanging.
Patients with
Patients with
anorexia
anorexia
nervosa
nervosa
are
are
at
at
40
40
times
times
more
more
risk
risk
for
for
suicide
suicide
compared to
compared to
general
general
population.
population.
Schizophrenic
Schizophrenic
patients
patients
have
have
10 to
10 to
13%
13%
risk
risk
of
of
committing
committing
suicide.
suicide.
Pinpoint pupil is seen in pontine hemorrhage, opioid intoxication. Commonest psychiatric illness in cancer, stroke, HIV is adjustment disorder followed by depression. Deja vu is seen in temporal lobe epilepsy. Deja vu is seen in temporal lobe epilepsy. Unfamiliarity of familiar thing is seen in Jamai's Wu. Senseless repetition, akka, verbigeration, and pathologia are disorders of form of thought. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Doctor Entrance Exam.